Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now we are moving to habit 5. This is the second habit of the public victory. The habit 4 is think win win, and habit 5 is seek first to understand and then to be understood. This is typically about listening people sincerely. So the key concept which we will be covering in this habit will be genuine listening, listening skills with listening with ears, eyes, and heart, listening attentively, and speaking with confidence. So, starting with lesson 24, the key concept is genuine listening. So, genuine means that you are being actually what you are seems to be, not pretending to be someone free from any intent to deceive or impress others. The listen means definition is to hear something with thoughtful attention, to pay attention to sound. The synonyms are to attend, to hear. So, genuine listening together means that you are using your ears, your eyes, and your heart to listen to other person, intent to understand the person. So, habit 5 says that first seek to understand and then to be understood. This encourages us to listen first and then speak second. God has given us two ears and one tongue. This means that we have to listen twice and speak one half of the time when we are doing the listening exercise. So you have to show people the real deal that you are actually listening to them. The detail is that when you are listening, do not do any other thing. For example, if you are playing with your phone, you are playing with something, you are working on your copy or something, the other person will think that you are not actually listening to him or her. So when you are listening, listen with your ears, listen with your eyes, and listen with your heart. And that listening should be a thoughtful listening. While listening, you can, at the end of some sentence or in the pauses between while listening, you can repeat the talk of other person that I have understood this thing. Do you mean this thing? So that the other person knows that you are actually listening to him. So here is the partner talk that how would you teach the skill of listening if you were the listening leader in the school? Just write the things that if you are the listening leader, you have to listen to the problems and other things to solve the things in the school. How would you do that? How will you inculcate the listening skills in people? Do you think that social media is impacting the ability to listen? If yes, why? So just give your reasons that how it is impacting the listening skills. So thank you.